Yeah, I know, we were just here. But we're here for not just a little quick construction update, but also for the debut of EPCOT Forever, a temporary fireworks show, which we're going to be checking out later this evening. Alright, let's see what's been going on. One of the first things we're noticing is that for the longest time we could only go this far. Well, the wall's been pushed back some. So let's continue. It's been a long time since we've been able to access Project Tomorrow from on this side. Well, this is the end. Journey of Waters by Moana is located right there. This is most likely going to be a sign. I think the pump station's on this side.
Everything's 45, 60 minutes.
Looks like that wall has come out some. Hey. Yikes. Well, besides the monorail, one of the best locations for a quick look into what's going on is over by Imagination, so we'll work our way over there. So that's the Communicore Hall building. It will feature a new area to visit Mickey, Minnie, and the gang. Just love the name, Communicore Hall. Get another view on the other side. Go over there in just a moment. Like I said in a previous video, the Flower and Garden Festival is going on right now. Here's Woody and Bo Peep. And the sheep. There's Butterfly Garden back there in the back. Again, we're not here for the Flower and Garden, but we'll return for that, which is running until July. We got plenty of time. There you go. Sounds a nice touch. On this side too. So monorail still got the 50th anniversary wrap on it. Of course, the 50th has ended. Workers back there. Looks like Communicore Hall and Communicore Plaza coming right along. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher by going up by Magic Eye Theater, home of the Pixar Short Film Festival. You know, it's a busy day when Imagination has a line outside the building. It's a 40-minute wait. So we're going to head up here so we can get a better view of what's going on in the center of the park. So again, in Communicore Hall, that area right behind Spaceship Earth will be Dreamer's Point. That's where the Statue of Walt is going to be, right there, in that area. This area with the overhang, that is going to be part of Communicore Plaza, which will feature a stage that'd be used for concerts and stuff, like during the festivals. projected opening later this year. So we'll see if that's true. It would be nice to see these construction walls gone, but we got a little while longer to go. Still making a lot of progress. You can see a little bit more from the monorail, but we're probably not going to be riding the monorail today. Okay, last night, April 2nd of 2023, Harmonious ended its run. And these barges will eventually be removed in preparation for a new show, which we don't know the name of it yet. In the meantime, starting tonight will be EPCOT Forever. It's the transitional show, which played between Illuminations, Reflections of Earth, and Harmonious. Well, that show is returning. And it looks like they're going to have it perform around the Harmonious barges, which are still in the middle of the lagoon. But considering how long it took to put the barges out there, considering that they were building them as they were going, once they were completed with one barge, they brought it out. Now with all of them completed, all they had to do is just take them, well, disconnect them, unanchor them, and then take them back. I imagine it's a lengthy process though, so I'm really not that surprised that the barges are still here. But eventually they will be gone. Looks like they're working, I see workers out there. And of course, we got work barges surrounding this one. And there's men on that one. I imagine it's going to be a long process to get these barges out of here. It might take a week or two. Who knows? We'll keep you updated. But in the meantime, they're still here.
EPCOT welcomes you, and we invite you to enjoy EPCOT Forever, a spectacular celebration of everything EPCOT. In just a few minutes, the World's Showcase Lagoon will burst with color and light as we journey through EPCOT's past and leap into its exciting future. Because of lower light levels during the show, we ask that you please watch your step, and kids, take your parents by the hand. Tonight's performance of EPCOT Forever will begin shortly. Thank you.
One little spark of inspiration
We call it EPCOT.
is at the heart of our creation.
EPCOT.
Right at the start of everything that's new.
Experimental, prototype, community of tomorrow.
One little spark lights up for
Or should I say, your future?
If we can dream it, then we can do it. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.
Soaring to tower, we are ready for takeoff. As you can plainly see, imagination works best when it's set free.
Making memories, taking pictures is making memories, catching little pieces of time, making them yours and making them mine.
You'll see what they can be next time to
May peace go with you forever and ever as you celebrate the future hand in hand.
Flying high, flying high. Put your hand on the future. Share a dream together around the world. With the possibility of dreams, raise your helping hand. We will celebrate the future, hold hand in hand. Let's celebrate the future.
The dreams we dream, the hopes inside us, ignite the path we take to guide us.
And hand in hand, the future is a path from just one start. A whole new
EPCOT is and will always be in the state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
Thank you for joining us for EPCOT Forever. As you take your next steps into the future, we hope you'll continue exploring, creating, and discovering wherever you go. Remember, it only takes one little spark of inspiration to unlock the possibilities of tomorrow. From all of us here at EPCOT, we wish you a wonderful evening and a safe journey home.
Sorry, that lady was a
Thank you
disturbance.
and good night.